Umphathiswa wezeMpilo Ugqirha Joe Phaahla ubhengeze ukuba bazakufumana iincwadi ezibanqumamisayo emsebenzini abasebenzi besebe lezempilo nabathe bakhonjwa kwingxelo yebutho elilodwa lophando iSIU ngamafuphi kumba weDigital vibes. Lengxelo yeSIU nephatelene neTender yonxibelelwano ngeli xesha le-COVID-19 neyayixabisa i-R150 million iveze elubala ubungqina obunobuzaza ngakulo besakubanga umphathiswa wezeMpilo Ugqirha Zweli Mkhize
The close of business today, all affected 6 officials in the Department of Health would have been served with suspension letters. The acting DG has been working on this since yesterday. He's been also making sure that the affected individuals are actually informed. And as we were coming in, he just confirmed that in terms of starting the process of engaging and informing them of what is coming. He has already done that as of now. So what is left, the letters are already prepared. It's just handing out the letters before the end of business today. It must be emphasized that disciplinary processes are an employer and employee matter. And we follow the public service as governed by the Public Service Act and its regulations. The report does show that indeed whistleblowing is one of the very effective mechanisms in the fight against corruption and corrupt activities.